Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and how Mark Zuckerberg could be getting involved. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be implementing a like goal of 600 likes on this video. This is going to be a big video. I really hope that we can hit that like goal of 600 likes. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Deposit $1 on the public platform. It is a really cool social investing app that when you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you got yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So wow, it's been a very crazy day for Shiba Inu Coin and the crypto market in general over the last night and into today. Just a lot of crazy stuff happening. We have stabilized here. We're going to be going over technical analysis at the end of this video, but today we're going to be talking about Mark Zuckerberg and his involvement with Shiba Inu Coin and what this could mean for Shiba Inu Coin. So stick around till the end of the video for that. But first I want to go over the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin. You can see that Shib is currently the 5th most active cryptocurrency or stock on here. Now obviously there's a lot of stuff going on in the markets. So the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is number 5 above Dogecoin, above Ethereum, above MMAT, above crypto.com, that's some pretty cool stuff. The only crypto that is above us is going to be Bitcoin, and obviously Bitcoin just had a 20% drop last night and now it's down 8% as well. So I definitely expect the biggest cryptocurrency in the world to have a little bit more activity than us, but we are number 2 right behind Bitcoin in terms of social activity, so I really do like to see that. But yeah, now let's get into our news for today, and that is going to be coming from Bazinga.com, and it's going to be Mark Zuckerberg's sister Randy says Dogecoin killer Shiba Inu has become mainstream. Just wait, I'm going to obviously explain how Mark Zuckerberg could be roped into this in just one second. Obviously it's his sister, but that's not the only connection. So here we go. In a recent video, Randy Zuckerberg, the sister of Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta Platforms, or previously Facebook, pointed out the sudden flourish of meme coins in the crypto market. Introducing the Shiba Inu as the Dogecoin killer, Randy said that the token has gone mainstream. However, despite the rivalry between Shib and Doge, she believes that both have an opportunity to grow. I didn't even know there was room for one of those, but apparently there's room for 2, she said. Agreed. She has recommended her viewers to have some fun with their crypto, but not to bet the farm on meme coins. This is exactly what we tell you guys as well. Definitely invest in Shiba Inu Coin if you want to have some life-changing money, but don't bet everything on it, because in order for a crypto such as this to make life-changing money, there is also the possibility of it going down significantly. So there is a very big importance in diversifying your portfolio. Just wanted to make that point real quick. But yeah, he advised viewers not to pour all of their money into one asset and instead maintain a portfolio, and this is obviously talking about Elon Musk. Earlier this week, she joined cryptocurrency exchange OKCoin's brand advisory council. The crypto exchange said that Zuckerberg would be the inaugural member of its newly established brand advisory council. Her primary focus will be to advise the company on inclusivity with initiatives, with the broader goal of reaching 50% female customer base by the year 2025. So the thing I want to mention about this is Mark Zuckerberg's sister. Now I know we all call him a lizard and an alien, but when you're family, you do tend to follow what your family does. Mark Zuckerberg has life-changing money at his hands. All it will take is Mark Zuckerberg's sister Randy to tell him to tweet about Shiba Inu Coin or tweet about Dogecoin, and he will send any of those cryptos flying. And I think that she has the power, if she thinks that Shiba Inu Coin has really gone mainstream, to tell Mark Zuckerberg to mention it. Not even tweet it, just to mention it in an interview, anything of that nature, and mention maybe even that he bought some for fun. If he were to do this, this would have the Elon Musk effect, in my opinion, of when Elon Musk mentioned it and then we went up about 200% in a couple of days, back in, I believe, early October. But I sincerely believe that Mark Zuckerberg in the following weeks could definitely be talking about Shiba Inu Coin, considering she thinks it's gone mainstream and might be talking to her family about it. And Mark Zuckerberg has a lot of comments on anything that he is involved in, saying, hey, when Shib for Facebook or Meta platforms now accepting Shib, just like every other business in the world. So I think it's a possibility he mentions it and sets off a price pump, huge pump in Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, now let's quickly talk about the global crypto market. We can see we're down 8%. Now this is better than when we were at a $2.19 trillion market cap. Now we're sitting at about a $2.31 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is below $1 trillion now. It's been above $1 trillion market cap for a while now, but obviously they had a massive dump off last night, a lot of liquidations, but people are starting to buy back in now. And Shiba Inu Coin right behind Doge and AVAX, only about $1 billion off AVAX, $2 billion off Doge. That's what we like to see. One thing I do really like to see is the volume sitting at about $4 billion right now, 65% increase. And as you can see, the volume has been increasing ever since we sold off. We had this massive sell-off, and then the volume increased from people buying a lot of back into Shib and buying on these dips and making it not so much of a dip anymore. So good thing to see here. Okay, now let's talk some technical analysis. So as you guys can see here, we are trending now up on the MACD. You see this little green thing here and this blue line crossing over the orange line. That is the indicator of a momentum trend. So the momentum is all trending up for Shiba Inu Coin right now. We obviously got to about a 23 RSI last night on that dump off, but now we're sitting at about a 43 RSI, which is closer to oversold than overbought. So the fact that we have gone from the 31 level at one point yesterday or last night all the way up to 38 and we're still at a 45 RSI is good. Now we are going to have a support here at the 37 level and a resistance at the 40 level. I think we're going to test this resistance today at the 40 level and then possibly just trade between the 40 and the 37 while we consolidate for the next couple of days. But if we can get above this 40, we can possibly test this 44 in the next couple of days. But personally, I think we're going to test this 40 today and then just trade between 37 and 40 throughout the rest of the week until we get some good news, possibly Mark Zuckerberg's mentioning Shib or any other celebrity, or getting a Robinhood listing and breaking us out of our trend. But overall, I think we trade between this until we get a good piece of news, which is okay with me, and I'll accumulate on any other dip as well. But yeah, hopefully Mark Zuckerberg does take this into account. He does listen to his sister and mention Shib as well. Obviously, his sister mentioning Shib isn't going to do anything to the price, but Mark Zuckerberg mentioning Shib would definitely do something to the price. So hopefully that does happen. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on this video, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Comment down below how much Shib you have, and let's try to hit that like goal of 600 likes on this video. I know we can do it. The Shib army is extremely strong, and we do that on the regular. So let's get that done. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. Remember, you just have to deposit $1. You get up to $70 with free stock. You can then sell that and invest into Shib because it's publicly available for trading on public.com. So do that, and yeah, that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.